A very good morning to all my dear students and respective parents. Hope so all of you are fine at your home. All my dear students, I hope that all of you are doing your work regularly. Also send it for checking to their subject teachers. Okay. Now we are going towards our topic. Today we will do exercise 10.5. In this exercise we will use theorem number 10.8. Angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is double the angle subtended by it or by the same arc at any remaining part of the circle. Question number first. A, B, C are the 3 points on a circle. A, B, C 3 points on a circle with center O. Angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 30 degree. Angle AOB equals to 60 degree. If D is point on the circle other than this arc ABC, then find the angle ADC. Find angle ADC. This angle AOB plus this angle BOC. Angle AOB plus angle BOC. AOB plus BOC equals to angle AOC. If we add these two angles AOB and BOC, then complete angle AOC comes. Value of this angle AOB 60 degree plus BOC 30 degree. 30 degree is equal to angle AOC. 60 plus 30 90 equals to angle AOC. So we can say that this value of this complete angle AOC equals to 90 degree, and this angle ADC, angle ADC, this angle is double of angle AOC by theorem number 10.8. Angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc is double the angle made by the same arc at any point on the circle. Angle ADC is equal to angle AOC upon 2. This 2 goes in divide. Value of this angle AOC is 90 degree. 90 upon 2. Angle ADC. So we can say that angle ADC 90 upon 2, 45 degree. This angle ADC is of 45 degree. This question first is complete. Question number 2. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Find the angle made by the major arc and minor arc. AB. AB is the chord of the circle. This point O. O is center. Radius of this circle is equal to the chord of this circle, means OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. All these three sides are equal. Find the angle, this angle, C and D. Find the angle ACB and ADB. ACB and angle ADB. These two angles ACB and ADB. Find the value of these two angles made by the major segment and the minor segment. OA is equal to OB equals to AB. In this triangle AOB, all the sides are equal. In triangle AOB, OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. If all these three sides are equal, then we can say that this AOB, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle all the angles are of 60 degree. All these three angles are of 60 degree. If this angle is of 60 degree, then you can find the value of this angle. Angle AOB equals to 60 degree. AOB is an equilateral triangle, so we can say that all the three angles are of 60 degree. This angle AOB equals to 60 degree. Now this angle ACB is double. ACB is angle AOB. Angle made by the arc at the center of the circle is double angle made by the same arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. By using theorem 10.8, this angle ACB equals to half of this angle AOB. If this angle AOB is of 60 degree, then this angle ACB equals to 60 upon 2, 30 degree. So value of this angle is 30 degree, 60 and 30. Now find the angle ADB. This angle is of 30 degree. Now find the angle ADB. If this angle is of 60 degree, then this angle equals to reflex angle, then equals to 360 minus this angle AOB, angle AOB equals to double of this angle ADB, angle ADB. Theorem number 10.8, case number 3. 360 minus AOB, this angle AOB 60 degree equals to 2 of angle ADB. 360 minus 60, 300 equals to 2 of angle ADB, and this angle ADB equals to, this 2 comes in divide, 300 upon 2 is equal to 150 degree. So value of this angle is 150 degree, 30 degree, and this angle is of 150 degree. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3. Figure is given. P, Q, and this point is R called center. O is center. Angle PQR. Angle PQR QR is equal to 100 degree, where PQR are points on a circle with center O. Find angle OPR. Find angle OPR. Angle PQR. This angle is of 100 degree. Find angle OPR. This angle. If this angle is of 100 degree, then we know that this POR, this angle, is reflex angle. So value of this angle is theorem 10.8, case number 3rd, 360 minus value of this angle POR, angle POR is double of this angle PQR. Theorem 10.8, case number 3. 360 minus angle POR equals to 2 into angle PQR. Angle PQR is given 100 degree. Then 360 minus angle POR equals to 2 into 100, 200. Then POR, and this 200 comes on this side. 360 minus 200, angle POR. 360 minus 200 equals to 160. So angle POR equals to 160 degree. This angle POR equals to 160 degree. But we have to find the value of this angle OPR. Angle POR is 160 degree. Now in this triangle POR, in triangle POR, OP equals to OR. These two sides are equal by radii of a circle. This OP equals to OR. If these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. We can say that angle ORP is equal ORP equals to OPR. OPR. Angles opposite to equal sides. Or we can also write as if sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Now by using angle sum property, angle ORP plus angle OPR plus angle POR is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, or we can say that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. These two angles are equal. Suppose this angle is of x degree, then this angle is also of x degree. These two angles are equal. Equals to x. X plus angle POR. Angle POR 160 degree equals to 180 degree. X plus x, 2x is equal to 180 minus 160. 180 minus 160 equals to 20. 2x is equal to 20. Then x will be 20 upon 2 is equal to 10. So this angle OPR is of 10 degree. Angle OPR equals to 10 degree. This angle ORP is also of 10 degree. This question number 3rd is complete. Question number 4. Figure is given. Figure is given. A and D. Angle ABC. Angle ABC equals to 69 degree. Angle ACB equals to 31 degree. Find angle BDC. Find angle BDC. In this question, we will use theorem number 10.9, which says that angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Means this angle made by this segment equals to this angle. This angle 69 degree and angle ACB. ACB is 31 degree. These two angles are given, ABC and ACB. Now take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property, or we can say that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle B is of 69 degree and angle ACB is 31 degree plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. 9 plus 1 10, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 100 plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree, and this angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. This angle is equals to 80 degree. Then this angle is also of 80 degree. Angle BAC is equal to angle BDC equals to 80 degree. Why? By using theorem number 10.9. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. So these two angles are of 80 degree. This question number 4 is complete. Similarly, in question number 5, use this theorem 10.9. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Question number 5 is that figure is given. BC, this line or curve BC, angle D, and this angle A. This point is E. 130 degree and this angle is of 20 degree. Angle C equals to 20 degree. Find angle BAC. This angle BAC. Find angle BAC. And value of these two angles are given. Angle BEC is equal to 130 degree. BEC 130 degree. ECD, angle ECD is equal to 20 degree. Now these two angles, angle BEC, angle BEC, this angle plus this angle DEC, angle DEC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair, or we can say that straight angle. These two angles are of 180 degree. If this angle is of 130 degree, BEC is 130 degree, then value of this angle DEC, angle DEC is equal to 180 minus 130 equals to 50 degree. This angle is of 50 degree. Now in this triangle DEC, in triangle DEC, 50 degree, 20 degree then we can find value of this angle D by angle sum property. In this triangle, in triangle DEC, angle DEC plus angle DCE plus angle CDE is equal to 180 degree. By angle sum property, or we can say that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. E 50 degree, C 20 degree. E 50 degree, C 20 degree. Then CDE is equal to 180 degree. This 50 plus 20, 70. 70 goes on this side. Then value of this angle CDE. Angle CDE is equal to 180 minus 70 equals to 110 degree. Angle this CDE. This angle CDE equals to 110 degree. Angle CDE equals to 110 degree. Then this angle D, CDB, angle CDB. We can also say that this angle as angle CDB equals to angle CAB. CAB or BAC equals to 110 degree. This angle CDE equals to CDB. CDE, we can also say that CDB. And this angle CAB are of 110 degree by using theorem number 10.9. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angle made by this segment, this angle A and D are, these two angles are of 110 degree. This question number 5 is complete.